What if you could predict asset failures before they happen? What if real-time AI insights could save your operations millions? With Asset Copilot, the future of energy is here.
With Asset Copilot, we're delivering asset insights directly to operations and maintenance teams. The Asset Copilot utilizes Microsoft Cloud and AI capabilities to transform how people operate and maintain assets of any complexity.
By integrating Asset Copilot with Cognitwin, Kongsberg Digital's dynamic digital twin solution, users can extract insights from diverse datasets and address complex operational questions swiftly. Partnering with Kongsberg Digital, LNG Canada is setting a new standard for energy operations. They reduced communication cycles from 12+ hours to real time. Additionally, LNG Canada is designed to be the lowest carbon-producing LNG facility of its size worldwide.
Click on the link below to get started.